So walking through this monastery is definitely one of the more incredible experiences here in Leh Ladakh. The sounds and the humming and the chanting, it really brings you to another world. It doesn't feel like you're in India. It feels like you've been transported to something that you would watch in National Geographic or something you'd be watching on a movie or television. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues. All right, welcome to 6 a.m. Wow, the sun is really bright today at 6 a.m. It's crazy, look at that. So we're currently at the THIKSAY Monastery, and we're gonna go check out some morning prayers from the lamas, otherwise known as monks. And as always, the adventure continues because as soon as we arrived, my rear tire on the motorcycle actually got flat. There's one flat tire. I guess, how do you feel about our flat tire?
A lot of work. No sleep now.
We were hoping to go sleep after this, but that's not gonna happen. We gotta fix the tire. All right, so we're gonna go check out this beautiful monastery. I was here 4 years ago, and I remember it was pretty amazing, so I'm excited to come back. I know there's a big shadow on my face, and I know it doesn't look very good, but I wanted to show you guys this amazing view behind us. So walking through this monastery is definitely one of the more incredible experiences here in Leh Ladakh. The sounds and the humming and the chanting, it really brings you to another world. It doesn't feel like you're in India. It feels like you've been transported to something that you would watch in National Geographic or something you'd be watching on a movie or television. Great, an incredible experience to just be humbled by the fact that these people have such discipline in their life, have such regiment, and it's a really unique experience to be here. These are the horns they actually use in the morning to call out, as you heard. Because over there is checking out his phone at the bottom. So here we are, and there's a giant statue. Look at that, it's a beautiful statue. What's interesting to me is that there's actually offerings of money here. There's a big box of money right over there. And I don't know what's stopping people from just sticking their hand in there and taking money. So very trusting here to do that. Don't take any money, that's for them. Alright, so all over Bhutan, all over Asia, you're going to find these cylindrical looking objects. And it's said that if you rotate them clockwise, it's supposed to be beneficial and bring good luck. That's what I'm going to do. Also sounds kind of nice too. Alright, that was a nice visit to the monastery. Now we come back to the bike and we have found our issue with the flat tire. There's a giant nail inside of it. No! And we don't have any puncture repair kits. We don't have anything to remove the tire, and we don't have a new tube. Going to suck. I hate you, nail, so much. I hate you, nail. I really do. This is very time consuming, and I just, ruined my day.
I can't be so hopeful. Let's go and fix it.
All right, here's the plan. Vikas is gonna go find somebody in that town over there, bring him here, take off the tire, take it back, fix it, bring him back, put it back on, and get out of here. That's the idea, right? Yes. All right, it's not too bad. We had a nice little walk through the monastery, nice footage, so, all right. I love cinematic stuff, and I really wish I had this gimbal because it just makes things so much easier, because I'm there holding my A7 like this, and I'm trying to do panning shots, and it's impossible. So this guy is a smart one. That's what he's doing.
Good luck, man. Good luck.
Good luck. Thank you. Vikas is back. He actually managed to find some guy with a truck, which we're going to put on and take back to Leh, because we're about a half hour away, because we're still at the monastery. Not bad. Job well done. Shop in Leh, and they were very cool, very nice. They're actually going to help me fix the puncture on the tire. Everybody's here, from the Himalayan Odyssey to me to just random people. So far, so good. Service has been pretty awesome. Can't complain. Check out all the bikes, all the people, all the tourists. So they were very cool. They helped me out with the tire, took it out. Very nice guy. The mechanic was super cool. These guys, check them out. It's almost like a home, but it's also a mechanic shop at the same time. It's a tire, and get out of here. By the way, if you want to know where the shop is, it's actually right off the main strip here in Leh, so it's really difficult not to find it. All right, the rear tire is being changed. I am in and out of here in less than an hour, which is super fast for what I'm used to. Super fast service, great guys. So you guys drive a Royal Enfield across Ladakh, just know you have a safe haven here in Leh. Really cool. All right, time to get back on the road. See you at the next destination. It looks like there's some other unlucky people today with the bikes. There's one thing you'll find in Leh is bikes and foreigners. And foreigners on bikes. They're everywhere. It's crazy.